Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to start using Thinkorswim, a professional trading platform developed by TD Ameritrade. To begin, you will need to have a TD Ameritrade account. If you do not have one, you can easily sign up on their website. First, download and install the Thinkorswim platform from the TD Ameritrade website. Once installed, launch the platform and log in with your TD Ameritrade account credentials. The Thinkorswim platform is divided into several sections, including the Trade tab, Monitor tab, and Analyze tab. The Trade tab is where you will execute trades. The Monitor tab allows you to monitor your accounts and positions, and the Analyze tab provides you with a range of tools to analyze the markets. To start trading, navigate to the Trade tab and select the type of trade you want to execute, such as a stock or option trade. Next, enter the symbol of the security you want to trade, and then select the order type, such as a market order or limit order. You can also set additional parameters, such as the quantity and duration of the trade. Once you have entered all the required information, click the Submit button to execute the trade. In addition to executing trades, Thinkorswim also provides a range of tools and features to help you analyze the markets. The platform includes a range of technical indicators, such as moving averages and relative strength index, as well as fundamental data, such as earnings reports and economic indicators. To access these tools, navigate to the Analyze tab and select the type of analysis you want to perform. You can also customize the platform to suit your trading style by adding or removing tabs and windows, and setting up custom alerts and notifications. Best practices for using Thinkorswim include starting with a paper trading account to practice trading with virtual money, setting clear trading goals and strategies, and using the platform's risk management tools to limit your potential losses. It is also important to stay up to date with market news and trends, and to continuously educate yourself on trading and investing. By following these steps and best practices, you can get started with using Thinkorswim and take your trading to the next level. Remember to always use the platform's tools and features responsibly, and to never risk more than you can afford to lose. With practice and patience, you can become a skilled trader and achieve your financial goals.